Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I miss you guys. So I'm making little kits for you, and today I'm going to demonstrate a root touch-up. This is Penelope. Who say hi? Okay. Well, I'm not coloring my hair. I didn't even do it. So I left it all natural and crazy because why would I style my hair and look fabulous just to put goop in it? So I'm going to use conditioner because I don't need my hair colored. So look at my quarantine mask. I wanted to show you. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So I'm going to, I have a bowl with conditioner in it. And Penelope's showing you that this is what I'm using. It's one of my clients gave it to me. She doesn't like the smell. I think it smells fabulous.
Smell?
Like coconut.
I smell it.
Go ahead, smell it. So look at Hadley's hair. I did some neon yellow and some green in there. Woo! And so I'm gonna do a retouch. So I'm giving you your kit. Your kit is going to have everything you need. It's going to have your color. It's going to have, you're going to mix the two together in a bowl. I'm giving you a brush and some gloves and some little samples of shampoo and conditioner. So you can use clips if you want. So you're going to do a part. You can either do, and two, if you feel more comfortable just doing around the hairline, and maybe back here, down here, that's okay too. That way, at least the front's done, because I don't know, if you're looking in the mirror and you're like, oh, that's what you see. If you want to do the back, I'm going to show you how to do the back. So you can just do part down here, and then here to like the tops of your ears. If you want to use a barrier cream, I would say just use it around your earlobes. I can include that as well as eyebrows. I think there's like a hair somewhere. So you can do your eyebrows a little bit darker. I can put some color in there, but the barrier cream, you got to be real careful because if you do that, you have a real chance of messing up the color might not take. There is a hair. Do you guys see it?
No.
Do I have a hair? You see it on my eye?
No, I don't think so. No, I cannot.
Okay, we're good then. Okay, so first things first, you can put a towel around your shoulders, and you can use a little clip to like kind of, but I'm not using one. So, excuse me. Okay, so you're going to do the hairline. Make sure you get it, because you guys know me, I dig it in there. And I do it hard. Because I don't want those little stubborn grays.
What are you doing?
Look at these two goofballs. The stubborn grays are, you know how annoying they are. And I'm using this part to part the hair. You can be neater about it and use clips. You can put clips like this section here. Like you can go and section that off. And you can section that, and then you can, let's just do that. And you can put a clip there if you want. If you get a little bit on the ends, no big deal, people. This is quarantine. This is so much better than you going and using box colors. So, see? And then you want to do, I'm going to do up here because that's pretty important, that skunk line. You don't want a skunk line. See, I feel bad because, you guys have gloves. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm just doing conditioner. If you're doing a lighter color, or if you just want to wear one glove, maybe this hand, because you can even use your fingers to smudge it in if you want to dip your finger, like literally legit, like dip your finger in there and you feel more comfortable kind of putting it on that way, that's okay. Who cares? Whatever. Okay, and I'm going to do the part down this side. I'm using my brush. I'm trying to be able to show you what I'm doing here.
It's not sharp teeth. Oh, yours has a long teeth.
I've been thinking about going dark. The problem is I have too many gray hairs around the face. There's just a few there, but I like to blend. Okay. Ah! Now, we're going to do the roots now with and around the face. I'm just taking my comb and pinching, pulling, and then I go whoop, dip. Don't go crazy with the color. Don't you don't need to go bananas. You just need enough. Just enough to just dab it on there because you're going to go over it again and make sure to get it in there good. Because you're going to go back over it. I'm probably not going to do my whole head because this video would be way too long. And I told you guys yesterday I was going to have a video ready for you, but I did do a video and I had to cut it in half and I was going to do 2 because it was too long. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Do you guys like my wood room? Isn't it pretty? Looks like I'm in a cabin. It's my favorite room. I got this light right in front of me, like kind of next to me over here. And it's kind of funny because it's like leaning. If only you could see it. So then you go back over. You guys know I like to go over everything twice.
Oh my God.
To really get those roots. My kids are, I don't know, being crazy over here.
No.
Hey, aren't you guys supposed to be in virtual school? So I went over it twice. Now, what I really should be doing is real color, and then I should take a break, go wash my hair, come back, blow it out, and then show you how marvelous this technique was. Well, technique. It's basically So you guys want to go over the hairline. I go over it several times. You guys, I probably took you to school once or twice. You guys probably know exactly what I do because you watch me all the time. Same thing applies. Now, this side, you can go this way and go like this and apply. I'm just going to show you a little bit different way. If this is easier for you, you see how I'm pinching? You can go up this way instead of going what I did with this side starting up here. You can start like that. Oh, I did a makeup tutorial first. I did a makeup tutorial before this video because I figured, well, I got to do my makeup to look nice for the camera. I mean, it's my everyday look, but I figured I would record it since I'm on a roll with recording. Why not? I'm going to also show you how to blend this in too because a lot of you guys, I balayage it. So that's just the gist of it. I'm not going to do the whole thing because, like I said, I don't want this video to be 10 years long. Okay, so the back here. So I have this part's kind of. So what you can do is, if you want, you don't have to. I have I'm going to use this little clip. We'll just put that out of the way so you can kind of see better. I don't have a mirror. I have a mirror in front of me. But there's nothing behind me. I don't know what I'm doing. So you guys are going to see me try to do my own hair. So I'm going to take the comb, or the brush, and I'm going to do a part down.
Hi, you want to keep pointing?
Like that. And I had another clip here somewhere. Did you take my clip over there? Can I have it? My kids are stealing my clips.
Which one?
Thank you. Okay, see? I have like no hair, so I can use these little teeth. Look, it's even broken. Ugh. Okay, so clipped up. You can pull that over here. Is it straight? I don't know, but that's all right. So I'm going to show you one side. So you can hold this like that. You can. What are you doing? You can feel the color on your scalp. It's cold. So basically, so you know you're kind of you're around the area because you're feeling on your scalp. Okay. So you can fold your ear like so. Like that. I just brushed my ear. Now your package your little kit will come with, I'm going to do the hairline. It'll come with medium gloves. I apologize for you girls who have husbands with giant hands doing it. So you're going to take sections. I'm not being super specific on how big. I mean, just, you don't want to take huge sections, but I am expecting a delivery. My girls are getting their room redone. I just sold their beds on OfferUp, and they're getting bunk beds. Are you girls excited about your bunk beds?
Yeah.
I got them on IKEA for $195. That's pretty good. And it looks like this room. It's that oak look. Or not oak, pine. Okay, I'm not taking sections here. This is what I did yesterday too. Okay, as you see, I am just taking some sections. If you guys have a bathroom at home with a double mirror, like one on the wall and then one over the sink, and you can kind of watch what you're doing behind you, that would be sweet. And I'm jealous. I mean, I don't know about these parts. I don't feel like I'm doing much here, but I'm sorry that you guys, I'm sorry about all this going on. It stinks. It really does. But I think this is the best way to do it, is help each other out this way. We're all helping each other. Okay. So just so I can see, I'm getting close to the top. This is a good arm workout. You're welcome. See, you can get a workout too. My kids are all climbing on me. This is how it goes, people. You got kids, quarantine life. They're not doing their homework like they should.
Yeah, but Penelope didn't have any homework.
Penelope does. But Penelope, I get that a lot. Okay. So I just showed you basically the front, the sides, different kind of ways to do it. You don't have to do all of the back. I just pinned this side. I'm not going to do that side, but it's the same thing. Just because my video will be way too long. So you can either, you can brush it a little bit to kind of blend that line in. Because, you know, especially if you, I have some clients that are probably 2 appointments overdue, or maybe 1, I should say, but still, they probably have some more root. So you don't want to have that line. So I was going to show you real quick. So make sure you go over the hairline again. This is crucial. Those darn stubborn, and you got to kind of scrub at them to really get in there. Because those white ones, it is so hard to penetrate through that white hair. So for blending. So I do vertical slices down this way on you guys. And I take, okay, so you see that I kind of section. You can go down like that. You don't have to go all the way down. You could actually just do around, just like maybe cut it right here. Not literally cut it, but you know what I'm saying, part it. And then you can just kind of paint it in, and then have it come down. And then you can do another section back here. Just do a few little vertical pieces. You can paint that. Now, and you can kind of take a wide tooth comb. You can even, so this is too like something you can do. Be very careful. So here's the brush. If you take a little bit of color and paint it on there like that, and then you kind of like lightly brush it through, I mean, that's something you can try to do. Just put a little bit, but the thing is, it's not very accurate placement of a low light, so I would say you can even, just on the hairline, maybe pick up a piece of hair like this and just kind of work it through. A little tiny piece, kind of comb it through. You can take a section like this and take a piece under here and just take a few little pieces and just kind of like that. That would be super simple. Yep, that's that. But make sure you do the hairline really well. If you want a barrier cream, you can use maybe like a thick sunscreen, or you can use Vaseline. You could do, and you want to do around the ears and maybe on the neck a little bit. But as you could see, my neckline is crazy. So when I color, I got to do all of that. So you got, and especially if you're really gray or white down there, you want to be real careful. So processing time is 30 minutes on the root, and then just shampoo and conditioner. And then if you're going to do your ends, I would say, this is just for my clients right now, I would say to pull it all through, maybe just dampen it a tiny bit with a little bit of water. And then, I mean like a little bit, like maybe like 75% dry, you know, with that 25% moisture. Just dampen it. You can put your hand in a cup and kind of just do this. And then you want to take the color and just put it through your ends and comb it through. If you don't completely cover the hair, it's no big deal. You'll have a little dimension in there. That would be fine. And if you end up doing your ends, I would say do 20 minutes on the root, pull it through the ends the last 10 minutes, and then wash it out. And you don't want to do super hot water. You want to do probably like lukewarm, and that should be good. Maybe do a cold rinse at the end. You know how much I love my cold rinses. You don't have to, but that would be amazing. So if you want to do your eyebrows, just let me know. That's kind of different. You can use maybe a Q-tip to put that on. But like I said, try not to use a barrier cream. That freaks me out because you guys have, you know, some stubborn hairs around there. What if you don't cover it? And if you don't want to do the back, don't do the back. Maybe just do around the hair, the neckline. That would be fine too. I miss you guys so much. As you see, my kid's twerking behind me. Yeah, I don't know what's happening there. And there's Moose. Moosey! You want a treat? Want a treat? Isn't he so cute? Oh no, here he comes. Hi, Moose. Oh, Moosey. All right, well, you guys, happy quarantine. And if you want to watch my makeup video, I'm such a nerd. And I wasn't quite awake yet, but I hope this helps. I love you. Oh, bye.